Hello guys, today I will show you how to download and install Kali Linux and virtual machine also. So go to the browser first. I downloaded before, but I will show you from the first. Okay, type virtualbox. You need it first because you want to run Kali Linux, but if you want to click on download, then first link. Here we see 5 options or 5 operating system, but we have to choose what operating system we use. That I use Windows and I downloaded before. Double click on it. Then next here you can choose a folder from where you can run your virtualbox. Next, warning, network interfaces. You can read it if you want. Then click on yes, then yes, then install. Okay, it will take some seconds. Okay, let's see. Finish. Okay, download it. Then from here you can welcome to virtualbox. Then download Kali Linux from their official site. Kali Linux download. Well, go to the first link, get Kali. Click on it. Then here you will see many more options, but you have to choose installer image, which is recommended by them. Click on it. Here you have to choose installer 64-bit.